Today, we will be solving multi-step equations. We learned to combine like terms, distribute, and solve equations with variables on both sides. So, usamos estas habilidades para resolver ecuaciones de varios pasos. Let's solve multi-step equations. Here we go. First, we need to combine like terms. Los términos iguales. 2x minus 3x gets me a negative 1x. Next, I need to subtract 5 from both sides. Resta 5 de dos lados. This gets me negative 1x is equal to 5. Finally, divide by negative 1 on both sides. Divide por negativo 1 de dos lados. Your final answer, x is equal to negative 5. Here, we see that we need to distribute. Necesitamos distribuir el 4. This means to multiply. Don't forget. 4 times 3x is 12x. 4 por 8 es igual a 32. Bring down the 10x plus 20. We have variables on both sides, so move the variable to the left. Mueva el variable a la izquierda. That's because the bigger coefficient is on the left. El coeficiente más grande está en la izquierda. That gets us 2x. Subtract 32 from both sides. Resta 32 de dos lados. Finally, divide by 2 on both sides. Divide por 2 de dos lados. X is equal to negative 6. We need to distribute again. Necesitamos multiplicar por 2. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 por negativo 3 es igual a negativo 6. Bring down the minus 8 and the 4. Combine your like terms. Los términos iguales. That's the minus 6 and the minus 8. Negativo 6 menos 8 es igual a negativo 14. That's negative 14. Add 14 to both sides. Suma 14 a dos lados. Finalmente, necesitamos dividir por 6 de dos lados. Divide by 6. X is equal to 3. Great job!